In today's video, I'm going to be showing you some cute outfits when it's cold outside. Now, if you're looking for some cute winter outfits, then this video is for you. When it's cold, it could be a little dreadful to get dressed, but I'm going to be showing you some outfit ideas you're going to love for the winter. So the first cute winter outfit idea that I'm sharing with you here, I'm going to be styling a denim skirt. If you're a big fan of skirts like me, you can get away with your skirts in the winter as long as you style them appropriately for the weather. Here, I'm going to be styling a long denim skirt, and I'm going to be styling it here with a simple black long sleeve top. This basic black top here is one of my favorites in my winter wardrobe because it's basic and it pairs well with everything. Here it pairs well with this denim skirt here, and I'm going to be adding an accessory here. I'm going to be adding a black belt that has a silver detail to it. Never underestimate the power of a belt. Little accessories like that is what chics up a winter outfit. Now for these shoes, I'm going to be opting here for a pair of tall boots in a silver metallic style. A pair of tall boots is great to wear underneath a skirt for the winter because it's a nice added layer to keep you warm, and these silver metallic boots are my absolute favorite. They're a brand new purchase that I got for the winter, and I honestly want to wear them all winter long. I'm a big fan of metallics. I love tall boots for the winter. These are a great pair of boots and they pair so well with this denim skirt for the winter. Now for the jewelry, I just kept it super simple with a pair of silver hooped earrings. I'm usually more of a gold person, but since the metallic shoes were silver, the belt buckle was in silver as well. I definitely wanted to add a pair of silver jewelry. Now I'm going to be adding an outerwear piece, and outerwear pieces are very important when it comes to winter, especially if you're looking for some chic, cute winter outfits. Definitely opt for a chic, cute outerwear piece. This one here is a super long duster coat, and it does have a grid print to it. I feel like this is a great print. It adds a nice pop of print, but also still keeping the look super subtle. One of my favorite winter coats here. I'm also going to be adding here a gray scarf. You can never go wrong with accessories like this for the winter to keep you warm, and this gray one here is a chic added touch to this winter outfit. And then lastly, for the bag, I'm going to be adding here a white fuzzy faux fur bag. I think the bag here just gives the look that nice wintry touch, and it's a great with you. Here I'm going to be styling two classic pieces I think every woman should own in their wardrobe. I'm going to be styling here a pair of jeans with a knit sweater. These black jeans here are fairly simple. They have a very off-wash style to them. They're a straight cut. I think that these are a great pair of jeans to have in your wardrobe for the winter. You can pair them with absolutely any type of top. The top that I'm opting for this winter outfit here is a knit sweater. I think you can't say knit sweater without saying winter. They definitely go together, and this red one here is in a bright bold red color. Red is a very powerful, very bold color, and I think by adding a bright top here with the jeans, I think it just instantly chics up this winter outfit. So if you're looking for cute ways to style winter outfits, definitely opt for a little bit of color. You can definitely opt for a bright sweater like this, a pair of simple jeans, and I feel like you instantly have a cute winter outfit idea. Now for these shoes, I'm going to be opting for a pair of black booties. These here are a pair of simple black ankle booties. They do have a croc embossed print to them. I love these booties here because they're practical, simple, and yet chic. I think that these boots here can pair well with absolutely anything. They can definitely go a long way in your winter wardrobe. Now to accessorize, I'm going to be adding here a few accessories. I'm going to be adding here a pair of gold hoop earrings and also a necklace in a dainty style. Definitely don't forget about little accessories like that, whether it's a belt, a hair clip, or any type of jewelry. Those little things honestly add up when it comes to creating a cute winter outfit. Again, winter can be very dreadful because it's cold, it's dark, dreary, so I sometimes feel like you don't want to put too much effort into your winter outfits, but you don't have to go all out or make it super complicated. Little things like that by adding accessories can just honestly spruce up a winter outfit. Now I'm going to be adding the outerwear, and this outerwear here is in a color block style. It has a mix of colors in red, black, nude. I think that your outerwear pieces are very important when it comes to looking chic in the winter. So if you're looking to buy a few pieces for the winter, I would definitely recommend to think about a great outerwear piece, whether it has a pop of color, a pop of print. A outerwear piece is definitely very important, not only to keep you warm, but also a chic one can make a big difference in your winter outfit. Here I'm gonna be styling a sweater dress with a pair of tall boots. A sweater dress is another classic piece for the winter. Here, this one is in a burgundy style and it does have a cable knit style in the front, and I'm pairing it here with a pair of tall boots. Now these boots here are in a snake print style, one of my favorite boots for the winter. Here on the channel I do have a series on how to style tall boots and over the knee boots. I think that boots like this are so important for the winter. You can honestly pair it with the most simplest top or the simplest dress, and I feel like just instantly a pair of tall boots or over the knee boots can just instantly chic up any winter outfit. These here in a snake print definitely add a pop of print to this winter outfit. So if you have a sweater dress in your wardrobe, you can definitely pair with any type of tall boots to create a great chic outfit for the winter. Now I didn't over accessorize this look by adding any belt. I just kept it super simple with a pair of gold hoop earrings. Since the boots have a strong print to them, I didn't want to over accessorize the look. I wanted the boots to be the focal point of this winter outfit here. Now for the outerwear piece, I'm going to be adding here a simple nude color trench coat. This outfit here is more for my ladies who maybe live in California or Florida where it's winter but it's not super cold like the East Coast where I'm from. So I think a great layered piece like this with a sweater dress, a pair of tall boots, hosiery underneath, and a light jacket like this would be a great winter outfit for my ladies who don't experience more of that super cold winter. And a trench coat like this is very classic and it's a nice added layer to this winter outfit. And then lastly for the bag, I'm going to be adding here a small clutch pouch bag. Outfit idea that I'm sharing with you here. I'm going to be styling a skirt. Now this skirt is very different from the first look. This one here is in a tweed material and it's in a shorter style. Here I'm going to be styling it with a pair of hosiery. You can definitely never forget your hosiery or that extra added layer when it comes to wearing skirts in the winter. And for the top, I'm going to be opting here for another basic top similar to the first look, a high neck top, but this one is in a mustardy color. I definitely wanted to add a pop of color to this look, and I think here just simply by adding a color to the look, it just instantly chiced up this winter outfit. Now for these shoes, I'm going to be opting here for a pair of loafers. I wanted to show you an outfit idea without boots. I know sometimes we can get tired of wearing boots every single day in the winter. Switch it up and pair a pair of loafers with a skirt like this, a hosiery, and I think you have a great chic outfit idea. Now I'm going to be accessorizing this look with a few gold accessories. I'm going to be adding here a pair of gold studded earrings, and I'm also going to be adding a gold headband. Like I said, little accessories, whether it's a belt, jewelry, or even a hairpiece, can make a big difference by sprucing up your winter outfit. Now for the outerwear piece, I'm going to be adding here a black peacoat. This peacoat here is a super long length one, especially when I wear a short skirt like this. I think it's just a great added layer to the winter outfit. And then lastly for the bag, I'm going to be adding here a simple black bag with some a winter outfit idea playlist so you can create some more winter outfits.